This program is an opportunity for everybody. I had friends who came from finance, I had friends who came from consulting, but I myself came from being a band director.
I came into this program to broaden my options and develop myself holistically.
I was in a dead-end career doing work that I didn't want to do long-term.
Coming from my military background, I really believe in the value of a diversified skill set. So wanting to go into corporate law really seemed like a good opportunity to gain business skills.
To be honest with you, I did not know what an MBA program was. I didn't really know the value of an MBA program. I came into this MBA not really knowing what the future would hold. By the end of that summer, I had a full-time offer. And so going into my second year MBA, I already had a job.
I think something that really helps Fisher MBA program stand out from others is that once you get through your first semester, every semester thereafter, you are working on some real life problem with a client either in Columbus, in Ohio, or even in different countries.
The full-time MBA is a place where you can really see what you're made of, and you can try all the things that you think you want to try, but you're not too sure.
The Career Immersion Academy especially does a great job of plugging students into real companies.
So I've really appreciated the professors, the blend of opportunities that this small cohort size gives, as well as just the international presence that the student community has.
I've had the chance to really explore my ability to be a leader, as well as join other programs just to be a follower, to learn how other people lead and figure out how I can lead better.
You really learn through doing, and there's huge value to that.
Fisher adapts to the students' needs and the students' backgrounds. We are actually leaving here ready to be day one employees.
And what better place to be than The Ohio State University with a vast network here.
If I were to describe the full-time MBA program here at Fisher in 3 words, it would be opportunity, culture, and growth.
Rigorous, practical, and collaborative. Collaborative, global, and transformative.
Life-changing.
The opportunity is here. If you think it's right, just do it.
I didn't even have to stretch the truth. You asked me easy questions.
I know.